Okay, so this is the video you guys have been waiting for. I'm doing this in my bathroom, you guys can see. But this is the video you guys have been waiting for. You guys have been asking me so many times to do, oh, the lighting here. Let's go back in the bathroom. So this video you guys have been waiting for. You guys have been waiting for me to make a setup video, I guess, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. My room is actually pretty clean to actually do this, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so enough looking at me. We're gonna rotate the camera so you guys can see my setup and so you guys can stop bothering me about it. So let's go do that. We go all the way to the end of the hall and we got my beautiful room right here. First thing you see when you walk in is this wonderful, lovely bed where all the freaking magic happens. Now, unfortunately, Lisa's not here, so none of that magic could actually happen. But anyways, that's the bed. You turn to the left. And right here you got me, nice little stuff, pictures of Lisa and myself, me and my father, my light switch, and Dallas Cowboy clock that my dad did, or gave to me, actually, as a gift. You got my dirty ass clothes that I gotta do laundry, but I'm not the one to do laundry at all, so don't at me at that. Then you come right here and you got my nice little closet. You got myself, my old teddy bear, my old blanket when I was a childhood. It has a lot of memories, so that's why I still have it. Lisa gave me these two. I love penguins and I love pugs. My favorite dog and a favorite whatever freaking animal, whatever. You got me a nice little Minecraft sword. Huge Minecraft fan. I fuck with Minecraft 24/7. I actually don't. I actually have some nice clothes, my pants, pantalones, my nice little belt, some good old clothes and jackets and whatnot, stuff like that. My Rob Dyrdek skateboard, a TV in the back. If you guys don't want that TV, I'll give it away for free. All you gotta do is just put hashtag free TV giveaway and you'll be entered for the giveaway, and I'll just choose one and I'll send it to you via PayPal. And then you come over here, you see my nice little dresser. You got my HyperX box where my HyperX came from, 2 empty water bottles, stay hydrated kid, an old freaking alarm clock, my Dallas Cowboy beanie, the wire to the alarm clock, another empty box, and a watch right there. So yeah. Another thing I have is this I Could Not Plan This Whit Lowry tour poster signed by the one and only Whit Lowry. Check out his music. Check out his music. He's by far my favorite rapper. I even met him. I'll post a picture right there on the screen. You can see. Boom. Met the dude. Awesome guy.
Still in my room, staring up at the ceiling. It's funny how I'm weak if I tell them that I have feelings. It's funny how they think that they're relevant, but I question intelligence of a nobody who hate for the head of it. Had your chance, girl, why you crying?
Got myself a nice little freaking Dallas Cowboy thingy, Giants thing. Huge Dallas Cowboy and Giants fan, love it. Lisa also gave me this thing for Valentine's Day. I love you, Lisa, that was great. And you also come over here beside my bed is my little night dresser right here. You got my keys, my wallet, my good old whatever that is, ointment for my butt. And then you also have some good old tissues for, you know, good old time, man, you know, because Lisa ain't here.
Yeah, boy.
And you got a nice little picture of me and my father and my brother when we were younger. And a good old #1 thing to represent that my dad was a #1 dad ever in this world. And yeah, so that's basically it. So I'm gonna come back in this corner over here in the entrance of my door next to this good old dirty old towel. And now it's time to show you guys what you guys want to see, which is the setup. So in slow motion so you guys can be revealed this dope setup. So here we go. Now don't at me at this, okay? I know these wires bother me. These wires bother me so much, and I know for all you freaking cable management nerds and stuff, well not nerds, but you know, people that hate cables, I know it bothers me. So we're gonna go in detail of everything that I got in this setup. So the first thing that I use is this nice little light that has a nice little switch that provides nice little light for when I stream. So first thing you see right here is two Spectra monitors. 180p HDMI, great monitors, had them about $100 a piece. Now I got a nice little Insignia Xbox charger with my Xbox controllers that are fully charged already, because if they weren't, it would show a green little light like that. but they're fully charged, trust me. I got the very first Xbox One, pretty fingerprints right there, but don't matter. Then I also got my HyperX. I forgot the name, but I will probably post pictures if I don't remember the name. So these were about $100. Great headphones. They actually have a detachable mic, which I always keep in here, that connects into there, and it actually is a great mic and great audio. Highly recommend it for all you audio freaks about games, because sometimes most games like Rainbow Six Siege or even Fortnite, even Battlefield, or sometimes GTA, it requires good headphones and good listening so you can hear your enemies. Next thing is this dope Magilec keyboard. I got this one off of Amazon. Don't remember the price actually, and I gotta actually clean it up just a little bit. Probably gotta get some Q-tips or something like that. But I love this keyboard because it's RGB and it's a mechanical keyboard. And what that means is, give this a listen. Sexy sound. I just love that sound. I love that sound. Also, you can also change like the effects of it, so like you can see the total effects, but I like keeping it at that, or even just like that. I kind of like that one too, like the lights just go up. So it's pretty cool. I like that one. Then you also have this dope mouse. I don't remember the name of it, but it's also a RGB wireless gaming mouse. Good thing about it is not batteries. If anything, you just have to charge it, and it actually lasts a long time. So I really recommend this RGB mouse. I also have this RGB mouse pad, which you can also switch the effects and stuff like that. As you can see right here, you can change it to all the other colors and whatnot. And I also have a HD 180p Logitech C720, I think it is, and it's like about $40. Really good streaming camera. There's other better ones out there, but that one is pretty good, so I really recommend that one too. And right over here I have my controllers to my PlayStation, red and black. As you can see, my whole color scheme is basically red and black, and a good old charger that charges them really cheap, actually like $20 on Amazon. And then you also of course have my PlayStation 4 with a red skin type of stickers for it. And then I also have this remote that I keep right here, or even in that drawer where that microphone was at, to control these lights over here. It's an RGB one. You can basically select red, green, blue. You can flash them, which I don't like because I don't have epilepsy, but it can give me epilepsy. I mostly just keep it to where it's just doing this. I just go cycles through all the colors, and it's just a nice little fade in, fade out type of thing. And then right here you have my Blue Yeti. It's a great microphone, $150 that I got it because it was red. But if you want just the regular one, I think it's like $110. Really recommend this mic. And it has this arm stand that I actually did pretty good cable management with, because it comes with like a freaking 20,000 foot cable, which is great and all, but for how close it is to my PC, I really don't need it. So I did pretty good at cable management. And then this good guy right here in the back, stupid mic, is my Cyber Power PC. This is probably the most expensive thing that's on my setup, and unfortunately it's not focusing. The stupid camera, I don't know why it's not focusing. Focus, there you go. But this PC is a beast. Great PC for the price that I got it at, probably like $800 I think it was. It's a really great PC. I love it. It's great, and I really recommend that one for starting off. In here is just crappy cable management, so we're not going to get too much into that. And then this thing slides out that has my freaking dirty laptop that has like 30 million viruses on it, but hey, it still works, so it's great. I'm gonna treat it like if it was brand new. Last but not least, or sort of, is my gaming chair with this nice little cushion, because I got a really bony ass, and if I sit down for long, it irritates me a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these lights, and then I will show you guys what this setup looks like when it is nighttime. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so this is what it kind of looks like at night. It doesn't really catch the light. It makes it really brighter in those ones. I have the flashlight on just to give it a little more brightness, just a little bit. This is basically what it looks like at night from this point of view. It looks way better in person, just because the iPhone camera like focuses on different things and stuff like that. But I really like this setup and how it looks like when it is nighttime. Really great. I love my setup the way it is. This is honestly my dream setup. It's not done yet. There's still a lot of stuff that I want to do, like get more LED lights, probably put some on the bottom, brighten up you know, down on the bottom and stuff like that, and
it'll actually look a little bit better. I'm also thinking about getting some more LED lights and putting it on top of this headboard right here, so there could be more lights and stuff like that. I'm honestly in love with RGB, red and black. That's kind of my setup right now, and it's actually really great. I love this setup the way it is right now, but it's not quite done yet, like I said. But there you guys have it. That's basically my setup, my room tour, whatever you want to call it. Really hope you guys did enjoy. You guys have been asking me for a freaking setup video for so long, and you guys got more than that. You guys got a whole freaking room tour. Let me know in the comments what your guys' favorite piece that I have a part of this setup is your favorite. That's gonna do it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe. That's not a subscribe symbol, I'm just doing it just cause. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys know when I go live and when I post a new video. So again, thank you guys for watching. It's been your boy Magos, and I hope I made you guys dizzy, and bye.